What's that cow say? What's the cow say, Henry? That's what they... That's it. Good job. What's that cow say? Cow says, moo. That's right. That's what that cow says. That's right. Where are you going? Are you trying to get out of jail? Henry, where's the little cow? Where's the baby cow, Henry? Where's the baby? Where's the baby cow? That's the mommy cow. That's what the mommy cow says to the baby. She says, moo. Whoa, be careful. Anna.